4:22 in the evening. Everything is set up and this new store looks really better compared to what it was earlier. If you remember last year I covered the old store as well, and this is why we are here, the OnePlus 7 Pro. So what they're doing is they're launching the OnePlus 7 Pro in two variants today. The OnePlus 7 is slated to launch next month and the top variant should go out somewhere on the 28th of this month. So the plan, पहले ये plan था कि I will go ahead and buy the 12-256, but as it is not available now, I might end up buying the 8-256 variant of the OnePlus 7 Pro, and we do have a lot of goodies over here for the people who are going to buy in the first 50 as well as the people who will buy after the first 50 as well. So let's see how the event goes. Alright, so the inauguration has finally happened and people are buying phones and stuff like that. I've got my share of experiencing this. As you can see, this is a very well organized event. There is no chaos. Everybody is busy checking their phones out and buying stuff. So we still have people waiting outside. So still have a lot of people waiting outside. So you finally bought it?
Yes.
Which version did you buy?
6128.
6128?
Yep.
And which was the phone that you were using prior to this?
I was using my Samsung Dabba phone.
So that's
I don't even. Yeah, this is my first OnePlus.
Have you experienced any OnePlus devices?
Yeah, I've experienced many OnePlus devices.
And what is the best part that you like about the Pro?
Oxygen OS and the performance.
Amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you. Buying the phone now, and he's been very loyal to OnePlus. He's been using the 3T since ages. He waited for it to die. It still isn't dead.
It's not dead, it's not
Are you
dead.
happy that you're upgrading?
Very much.
And how do you find the first impressions?
Pretty damn good, man.
Pretty good? Alright, so the event was amazing and very tiring. So after a lot of stuff, now we are all set to buy the device and leave from here. We still have a lot of people waiting behind, but I'll see you guys on the bike. Filal device le lete hain yahan se. What we are buying is the grey 8-256 variant for my friend Shreyas, as you probably would have seen in the video. We are not buying the 12-256 right now because वो available नहीं है, 28 को available होगा. So hopefully I'll buy it then. फिलहाल let's quickly take the device and let's leave for home because घर जाना है यार सुबह से बाहर. See you guys. Congratulations for the new store, and if y'all are from Mumbai, I would highly recommend you guys buy the devices and stuff from here because these are the official guys. This is the official store rather than buying it from somewhere which is sort of a shady store or something like that. Apart from that, these guys have supported me when I had come for the launch of the previous store. OnePlus experience was good for the launch of the Avengers edition as well. So all in all, thumbs up to you guys.